Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bite. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started.
Lenovo Legion Phone Duel is listed on the company website, hinting at an imminent launch in the country. The gaming phone was unveiled in July. The listing does not offer any details on pricing or availability yet. Hike on Tuesday posted that their new feature Hikeland is loved by the users, and users are spending time over 50 minutes there. Hikeland is a virtual place where you can call friends and stream videos from YouTube. More info in the description. The National Payments Corporation of India announced today that WhatsApp can go ahead with the rollout of WhatsApp Pay in India. The company will be allowed to roll out in a graded manner. NPCI said that it will be first be allowed to do so with a maximum of 20 million registered users of UPI. Razerbook 13 has been announced as the company's latest thin and light productivity laptop. It does not follow the gaming laptop look that Razer is known for. This comes with 3 different specifications starting from i3 11th Gen to i7 11th Gen. LG has filed a new trademark under the name LG Rollable. According to the title, LG fans can expect a LG Rollable OLED smartphone by March 2021. He has unveiled a lifelike robot with eerie similar gazing abilities as humans. The robot can mimic human actions like head tilts, blinking, breathing, and rapid eye movement. Volvo Truck has launched electrified versions of several of its heavy-duty trucks that will go on sale in Europe next year and be manufactured the following year, and has got the capacity of 200 miles per charge. So this was the video guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this tech wrap of this video, like this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech, and keep supporting as you always do. Adios.